Tell me, have you ever bought a bad cup of coffee? I did the other day. And you know what? I'm never coming back. It was bad, bitter beans. It wasn't good. Now, let's say if you sell high quality beans and you go to that coffee shop and you say, hey, we can sell you good quality beans that will actually help your coffee shop. And they say, thank you so much. Your prices are a bit exuberant. It's too high, it's too much. You know, and no matter what business you are in, you've probably heard this 500 times, right? So let's say this coffee shop that sells the bad bitter beans makes 50 cents net profit, and they sell roughly about 300 to 500 cups of coffee a day, which is pretty low. They will make $250 net profit per day, and 5 days, $1,250 net profit in a week. Now, if your beans can help them to sell 1,500 cups of coffee, but your net profit per cup of coffee is 40 cents, how do you do this? How do you show people what's the cost of not doing business with you? The best way to do it, no matter what product you're selling, is get a piece of paper, a calculator, or better, help the client to calculate with you what's the cost. And then say, well, if you sell 40 cents net profit per cup of coffee and you do 1,500 cups of coffee, that will give you, what, $600 net profit a day, 3,000 net profit in a week. So when they see that, they would get a logical sense there's a massive cost of not doing business with you. Sometimes it's worth it to pay a little bit more to get more in the end. So the next time somebody's pushing back on your prices and say it costs too much, help them to calculate the cost of not doing business with you. My name is Trevor Ambrose. Wherever you watch this video, follow us on our social media platforms. Head to our website, trevorambrose.com, for more free content. That's me. I'm not buying this cup of coffee again.